Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can invite friends to a game on Roblox. So you are going to just select the game you want. I'm just going to select this one for instance. And if you already went in the game, you still can do it up here. So let's just close this and go up here to invite friend. So select the Roblox logo and then select invite friends to join, and you are just going to select invite to one of the names. You can also do it when you haven't entered the game yet, so I'm just going to leave first. So here there's this option and you're just going to select invite. You can also join your friends here. And that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!